Now you know what you're going to teach, and you need goals for your class. You need to describe what you want to do with your students. That's really the core of your course. So you set your priorities. What's the most important thing that they need to learn? They define what you will teach. So if you're teaching, for example, an acrylic class, it's important you teach them how to use the tools they're going to need. Explain what kind of paint acrylic paint is and how it works. That kind of thing. And what are your goals? What do you want them to learn? They can't be experts in one lesson. So remember, have some pretty basic goals for them. Here are some examples of goals. Creating artwork that is unique to each student. Knowing all the steps to creating mixed media. Have enough skills to work on their own after the class is done. Realize that creating mixed media collage is easy and fun. That's one of my goals. Maybe they could learn all about painting tools and what you need to know on how to use them. Another goal could be learning to create with confidence. Another goal is learning to collage your own papers to create a painting. These are some of my goals and just examples of what goals are. Here's your task. Write down your goals for that class. List at least 4 or 5 goals. Do that now, and we'll see you in the next section.